everybody. It is time now for Money Matters Monday. Obviously, no one lives forever, right? So let's be honest, how much estate planning have you really done? Brian Quinn, partner with Quinn Estate and Elder Law LLC and part of the Circle of Advisors, joins us this morning. Brian, good morning to you. How are you?
I'm doing well, Matt. Good morning to you.
Good morning. As you know, because this is what you're doing every day, it's not a topic that people really are yearning to talk about,
Right.
but it is one of these critical planning things that if we do now, we're going to save everyone, including a lot of our closest, most important loved ones, a lot of pain. And I think there's a misconception out there that this is just filling out paperwork. It's a stack of documents. It's really much more than that.
Oh, and we as attorneys certainly love to give you a lot of paperwork.
Yeah,
There's no doubt
I've
about
noticed that,
But
yeah.
one thing that I just wanted to kind of always like to impart to my clients and would like to impart to your audience is that estate planning is a whole lot more than just pieces of paper. It's more than just ink on paper. It is, in reality, it's a set of solutions. So someone comes to me and says, I have a certain beneficiary, maybe it's a disabled loved one, maybe it's a senior loved one needing long-term care, or like myself, I have 2 minor children at home. Part of my estate plan is to make sure that if something happens to me, there's a set of instructions on what to do with the funds that we're leaving for them. And to make sure that they receive it at a time where they can actually handle that. And part of doing that not only involves coming to an attorney to put those documents in place for you, but a big part of everyone's solution is also involving a financial advisor to help make sure that, let's say you put a trust in place, and that's one thing that I've utilized in my own estate plan, given my minor children there. Right. But what if I don't actually direct anything to go into that trust? What does it have power over?
Not going to do you much good, is it?
No, not at all. And if I don't involve some good tax advisors to kind of look at what the impact of leaving some of those assets would be, estate planning is really, like I said, it's more than just a set of documents. Right. It's involving a lot of different advisors to really give you a good estate planning solution.
That's why we love the concept of the Circle of Advisors, because it really is all those people under one roof. Yeah. I feel like in recent years there's been a lot of estate planning pop-ups. I don't know if that's the right word, but there's a lot of fairly new businesses that have either appeared or are now venturing into this area. Yeah. How much does it behoove us to go with someone that's really been doing this for a long time?
Oh, I think it makes a lot of sense, too, because you've built, what you try to do as an estate planning attorney, if you're going to take sort of a holistic approach, which is what my firm has tried to do, you're going to build a team of advisors to help out your clients. There's not, an estate planning attorney is it's an important point. It's maybe the cornerstone of putting estate planning documents in place, but it's not the end-all, be-all. You still need to involve a lot of other advisors, especially if you have, for instance, one thing my firm does is we have a lot of senior clients that come to us. And part of what they're trying to do is not only figure out how to pass on their estate to the next generation and save some money during the long-term care process, but where are they going to go? Where are they going to be most comfortable? One thing my firm has done is we've put together a company called Elder Care Advisors, which is a senior assistance program for all of our clients there. So continuing to try to take that holistic approach, working with elder care advisors, working with financial advisors, the circle of advisors, tax advisors, and the like, really is what gives you a good estate planning solution.
You wouldn't have started something like that if the need wasn't out there.
Correct,
so
yeah.
Thank you for that, Brian. We appreciate it very much.